So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can properly test a used monitor before actually buying it. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the web browser you have, and here you have to search for ezo.be/monitor test. Just simply go to this URL and be very careful with the URL. If you mistype it, you won't be able to reach. Now here you can see multiple test patterns are available for you. Multiple tests are available. Just simply check them, mark all, and hit start test. And once you go over there, here you can see it has started the test in full screen. I can switch in between tests from here as well. I can check the gradient test, the sharpness test of my screen, the gamma test, the response time as well, the viewing angles as well, and multiple tests that are available for me to use. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.